Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Android media volume automatically increasing. Let's begin. If your Android phone's media volume keeps increasing on its own, it can be super annoying, especially when you're watching videos or listening to music and suddenly the sound blasts out of nowhere. I'll show you a few simple ways to fix it. First, the most common cause is Bluetooth devices. If your phone is connected to wireless headphones or speakers, they might be sending volume commands. So, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and disconnect any devices you're not using. You can also turn Bluetooth off completely and check if the issue still happens. Next, let's try clearing the cache for the System UI. Open Settings, Apps, Show System Apps. Then look for Android System or System UI, depending on your device. Tap it. Go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. This resets background behavior, including volume syncing. Finally, if none of that works, just try restarting your phone. And that's it. Your volume issue should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.